Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Definitely a lot of concern and a legitimate concern about migrant workers now going back to their respective states. And will they be there without any opportunities to earn their livelihood? So I would like to draw your attention to say that you know that we had announced the increase in the average wage rate from 182 to 202 rupees. I had made an announcement once earlier. The question of these people returning to their states, will they stay without any provisioning? We have already generated 14.62 crore man days or person days of work generated up to 13th May, which is actually 40 to 50% more persons who have got enrolled compared to last May. We have enrolled all of them. We are making provision through the Rural Development Ministry to ensure that they get enrolled, they get work, they get the due payments. So the migrant workers who are going back, and if in case they are joining the Manrega there, are being actively enrolled and provision through the respective ministries being done, and they are being taken. We've ensured that they're going to be entertained even there. They're not going to be sitting for wanting of some basic work. So national portability, which is now being defined as one nation, one ration card. One nation, one ration card will be implemented, and by August 2020, which is another 3 months, within 3 months, 67 crore beneficiaries in 23 states, which means the 67 crore beneficiary is 83% of all the PDS population that we are talking about. 83% of all the PDS population will get covered by this one nation, one ration card. And we assure 100% coverage of national portability of these cards by March 2021. Government has plans to launch, and very quickly it shall launch under the PM Awas Yojana for the migrant labor and urban poor, a particular scheme of affordable rental housing. They can become affordable rental housing complexes, and this shall be done on a PPP mode through concessionaire agreements. Nearly 2 lakh crores of concessional credit will be extended to boost the farming activities. 2.5 crore farmers will get the benefit, and this special drive will include these 2.5 crore farmers who don't have at the moment the Kisan Credit Card. But more importantly, something which the Honorable Prime Minister has been referring to, that fishermen and animal husbandry farmers also shall be included in the Kisan Credit Cards. Free food grain supply to all migrants for the next 2 months. For those who are non-card holders, meaning they are neither under the National Food Security Act, nor are they holders of any state-level cards, for them, they shall be given 5 kgs per person of wheat or rice, or 1 kg of chana, so that is for per family. And if the person is remaining without card, he can also get it. We think there are about 8 crore migrants for whom benefit will reach through this free food grain supply.